Eggplant rollatini, strips of breaded eggplant rolled up with prosciutto and ricotta, baked in a tomato sauce. I've been Italian my whole life, but this is a dish I haven't made. Let's get cooking. When you're choosing your eggplant, you want to be sure that it has a nice, smooth skin. For this dish, you want a larger eggplant because you're going to fill it and roll it up. The first step is to slice and bread our eggplant. We don't have to worry about salting it here like we normally would in eggplant parm. So I'm just gonna peel it and then just slice it into 1/4-inch thick slices lengthwise. Depending on the size of your eggplant, you can use 1 or 2. At the end of the day, you need about 10 slices. I'm gonna go ahead and bread them as I go so they don't turn brown. In the first dish, I just have some beaten egg, and in the second, Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. Eggplant is breaded, and now we need to give it a quick pan fry just in a little bit of olive oil. We're just gonna cook this on both sides until it's light golden brown. Once they're golden brown and softened, just remove them to a paper towel lined plate. At this point, they're coated in flavor and they've become more malleable, so we'll be able to stuff and roll. Now for the fun part. We're gonna spread on a thin layer of ricotta. Ooh, I think I thought of something that also might be good. What if I sneak in a couple leaves of basil in there? That'll be yummy. And then a thin piece of prosciutto and roll it up. Cute. Then we just place these seam side down into our baking pan. To finish it off, I'm going to top this with just marinara sauce. You can get it store-bought or make your own, and then top it with lots of shredded mozzarella. This looks amazing. This goes in at 350 degrees just until everything's kind of bubbly and melty, just about 15 minutes. It's gonna be good. This is my kind of meal right here. We're gonna serve this over some angel hair pasta with a little more sauce. Yummy. Wow, cut through like butter. How have I never had this before? I want my eggplant like this every time. If you've never made or had eggplant rollatini, this is the time to do it, and this is the right recipe. Trust me.